Question says in the following reaction, this is a chemical reaction given here, and we have to identify which option is correct. Okay. So first of all, we can write down the oxidation number of elements on both sides of the equation. Okay. So we have Br2. Br2 is a neutral element. I write 0 here. A molecule made up of same type of atoms will always have 0 oxidation numbers. Okay. Next one, we have carbonate ion CO3, it is 2 minus is there. For carbon we can calculate oxidation number, it is polyatomic ion is equal to minus 2. This is what minus 2 charge is there. Carbon plus 3 oxygen is what minus 2. Then we simplify, carbon minus 6 is equal to minus 2. Then carbon is equal to what, minus 2 plus 6 is equal to, we got plus 4. So carbon is present in plus 4 oxidation numbers. Okay, next, water is a medium, we can ignore. Br minus monoatomic ion. Okay, monoatomic ion, whatever the charge is given there, we can consider its oxidation numbers. Okay, for Br it is present in minus 1 oxidation numbers. Next we have BrO3 minus. Okay, so we can calculate Br oxidation number. BrO3 minus is there is equal to minus 1. Whatever the charge is there, we write is equal to minus that charge. Br plus 3, each oxygen is what, minus 2. Then we have Br minus bromine minus 6 is equal to minus 1. Then Br is equal to what, minus 1 plus 6 is equal to plus 5. Then bromine is present in plus 5 oxidation number. Here we have bromine present in plus 5 oxidation numbers. Okay. Next we have HCO3 and one negative charge is supposed to be here exactly. Okay, HCO3. Then we can calculate the oxidation number of carbon also. We have HCO3, it is minus. Okay, hydrogen attached to non-metal always shows plus 1 oxidation number. Hydrogen is what, plus 1. For carbon we have to calculate, there are 3 oxygen, each oxygen is what, minus 2 is equal to, this is overall charge, minus 1 is there. Plus 1 plus carbon minus 3 to just 6 is there is equal to minus 1. Then we mention carbon minus 5 is equal to minus 1. Then carbon is equal to minus 1 plus 5 is equal to, we got plus 4 is there. Carbon is present in plus 4 oxidation numbers. So here we write carbon is present in plus 4 oxidation number. Now pay attention very carefully. Okay. Now we can compare the oxidation number of same elements. If I compare the oxidation number of carbon, you can see carbon is present in plus 4 oxidation number. Other side is also carbon present in plus 4 oxidation number. If there is no change in oxidation number of an element in a given chemical reaction, it neither undergoes oxidation nor reduction. Okay. Now we talk about bromine. You can see on the left side Br2, bromine molecule is present in 0 oxidation numbers. Present in 0 oxidation numbers. Okay. Now you can see Br2Br. This is what? 0 to minus 1. Decrease in oxidation number, always keep in mind. Decrease in oxidation number is always reduction reaction. And increase in oxidation number is always oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction. So you can see from this Br to this Br, 0 to minus 1 is there, decrease in oxidation number. Decrease in oxidation number in the sense we can say this is what, reduction reaction. Okay. One more Br is there, Br2 to this Br, next Br, which is present in plus 5 oxidation numbers. Okay. So in this case you can see 0. On this side it is present in plus 5 oxidation number, and then we can say it is oxidation reaction because there is a increase in oxidation number. Increase in oxidation number is always oxidation reaction. Decrease in oxidation number is always reduction reaction. Okay, so you can see this Br2 is undergoing reduction as well as oxidation also. Okay, so you might have learned a chemical reaction in which same element undergoes both oxidation as well as reduction reaction is known as a disproportionate redox reaction. It is an example of disproportionate redox reaction in which same element undergoing both oxidation as well as reduction reaction. Okay. So you can see Br, bromine is undergoing both oxidation as well as reduction reaction because there is an increase as well as decrease in oxidation numbers. So you can see bromine is oxidized carbonate. No, it is not correct. Bromine is reduced to water is oxidized. Not correct. Bromine is neither reduced nor oxidized. No, it is not correct. Last option. We have bromine is both reduced as well as oxidized. This is absolutely correct. Okay, you can see decrease in oxidation number, increase in oxidation number. Then we can say this is an example of a disproportionate redox reaction.